Okay, sure.
The office.
5.
Right, and turn strong. The other way. The other way. And it came out. What came out?
Didn't matter. Let's open it. Hi kids, I am on the beach today. I found my shell.
Terrible.
1, 2, 3.
Bang
My wish come true.
Is your wish going to come true? Did the money go in the hole? No, I'm not sure your wish is going to come true then.
It's gonna come true.
Money go in the bowl?
No.
No. Did it land on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's okay too. So I think your wish is going to come true.
I have a vanilla ice cream. It's yummy. Yummy ice cream. I'm gonna sleep here. The different one we have. Fish. Oh, yes, we can get that. Then put the money in that machine, and I'm going to take a train out.
Turn. Turn.
Wait.
No, just one, and then turn. Oh, you actually, yeah, put all 5 in. Good boy. You're right. Put all 5 in. 1, 2, another one. 3, 4.
Okay, sure.
The office.
5.
Right, and turn strong. Good way. The other way. And it came out. What came out?
Didn't matter. Let's open it.
Should we take it over to the table and open it?
Yeah.
Are you going to open it?
Yeah.
I think you twist. That's a twist.
This is sticky tape.
What's in it?
These are instructions. Whoa! Look at
Really
this.
long.
This is my favorite one. Look at this. This is my favorite one. Oh, we got this
Oh,
one.
it's like a little train track and a carriage.
We got this, but we got this one.
Which one?
This one. And look.
How many different trains are there?
Okay.
Do you want to count them?
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
9 trains.
And how many tracks?
And you've got 1, so you've got 8 to go.
Oh.